Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about relational operators. Okay. Now we will discuss logical operators. What is logical operator? What are the types of logical operator and how they are performed? Okay. So logical operators are used to make decisions. Basically, these operators are used to make decisions and they are used to connect one or more relational expressions. Okay, as we have discussed relational operators, so logical operators are used to connect relational expression. And here there are three types of logical operators. They are and, or, not. Okay, so these operators are always written in a capital letter or in a uppercase letter. Okay, and the result of these operators is always true or a false. Okay, the result will be always true or false. True means the value 1 and false means the value 0. That is binary values 1 and 0, or you can say true or false. Okay, so logical operators are basically used to make decisions. So now we will see what is the meaning of this operator and what is the precedence and the associativity. So the first operator is double ampersand, that is a double and symbol. Okay, so for and in program we call it as a ampersand. Okay, so double ampersand means logical and operator, and the precedence is 2, and the next operator is a double pipeline. Okay, double pipeline operator, and it is a logical or operator, and the precedence is 3, and exclamation operator. Okay, that is not symbol. So this is a logical not operator and the precedence is 1. So as we know, the precedence is nothing but the priority. Okay, so in an expression, if all these three operators are involved, that is logical and, logical or, and the logical not. Okay, so based on the priority, based on the precedence, the performance will be that is expression will be performed. That is, the first logical not will be performed or evaluated, then logical and will be evaluated, and finally logical or should be evaluated. Okay, so here the, as we know, the lowest order number is having always the highest priority, that is 1, that is a logical not, then 2 logical and then 3, that is logical or operator. Okay, so these are the three operators, that is a logical operators. Now we will see the brief introduction about logical and, or, and a not. Okay, so first is a logical and operator. So it is used to perform ANDing operation on two logical operands. Okay, so it perform on a two logical operands, and it performs the multiplication operation. Okay, so by seeing and, don't get confused. And means a addition or a sum. Okay, and means it perform the multiplication operation. Okay, it performs two multiplication operation of a two operands. Okay, and how they are performed? The result of logical and is true when both the operands are true. Otherwise, the result is always false. Okay, so here it is performing on a two operand, that is operand 1 and operand 2. Okay, so when the result will be true, when the operand 1 is true and operand 2 is also true, then only the result will always true, or 1 you can say in a binary. If any one operand is false, then the result is always false or a 0. Okay, so here below I have given the truth table. So operand 1, operand 2 and the operation. In the third column I have written the operation. So true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 false. Okay, the result is true when both the operands are true. Otherwise, the result is always false or a 0. Okay, and just always keep in mind, logical and means it perform the multiplication operation. Okay, multiplication operation. So suppose 1 and 0, 1 into 0 means 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, like that, right? So this is a logical and operator. Next, logical OR operator. So, logical OR operator, again it performs on two logical operands. Okay. So, here also it performs on a two logical operands and it performs the logical addition operation. Okay. Now, here it performs the logical OR operation, that is the addition operation. Okay, means addition of two operands. So, here the result of logical OR is false only when both the operands are false, otherwise the result is always true. Okay, now we have two operands, that is operand 1 and operand 2. Now, how logical OR operator is performs? If both the operands are true, that is 1 1, then the result is 1 or true. If one operand is true and another is false, then also the result is true. If one operand is false and another is true, then also the result will be true. The only when the result is false when both the operands are false or both the operands are 0 0. Okay, if you take 1 1, the result is 1. 1 plus 1 means it is not 2. We are performing logical operation. Okay, in logical operation, if you are taking 1 plus 1, that is not 2. 1 and 1 means 1 only. 1 and 0, 1. 0 and 1, 1. 0 0, only 0. So, this is a logical OR operator. Logical OR operator means it performs logical addition operation. Okay, just it is the exact opposite of a logical AND operator. Okay, that you can say. Third one is logical NOT operator. So, logical NOT operator means it obtains the logical complement or it inverse of the given operand. So, here we take only one operand. So, it gives the result exactly of the given operand. That is, if a logical NOT is true when the operand is false and vice versa. If the operand is true, then the result is false. If the operand is false, the result will be true. That is vice versa. Okay, here we consider only one operand. 1, if the operand is 1, then result is 0. If the operand is 0, then result will be 1. So, this is the logical NOT operator. Okay. So, logical NOT operator is a unary operator. It is a unary operator as we have discussed in the last two videos. Okay. So, in unary operator, unary minus and logical NOT operator, right. So, logical NOT operator, it is a complement or a inverse of the given operand. Inverse means the reverse of the given operand. If you give true, then it returns false. If you give false, then it returns true. So, these are the three logical operations. Logical AND, it performs the multiplication of a two operand, or it performs addition of a two operand. NOT, it performs the logical complement or inverse of the given operand. Okay. So, here we see one example of how the logical expressions are evaluated. Okay, let us say let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 3, and the expression is A logical AND, B logical OR, C logical AND, in the parenthesis that is a logical NOT B. Okay. And as we know, the highest priority of the operator is a logical NOT. Okay, in the expression. So, this is one expression. So, in the expression, if all the operators are involved, then always the highest priority is given to logical NOT, and secondly logical and logical OR, that is a final value. Okay, now substitute the values, whatever the values are given. That is A is equal to 2 logical AND 4 logical OR 3 logical AND, in the parenthesis logical NOT 4. Okay, and as we know, first perform logical NOT. Okay, that is a logical NOT of 4. Okay, so here just consider 2, 4, 3, 4. These are nothing but 1 or a 0. Okay, here there is no 0. Just consider 2 means 1, 4 means 1, 3 means 1, and again 4 means 1. That is a true or a false. Okay, now logical NOT operator of a 4. Okay, then it invert or it complement of the given operand. So, operand is a 4. 4 is nothing but 1. The inverse of 1 is 0. Okay, so inverse of 1 or a 4 is a 0. So, that is 0. And 2 or 4 or 3. So, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 means 2 and 1, that is 1 and 1 is 2. then 2 and 4, or 3 and 0. So now 1 and 1 are 1. 1 are means both the values are 1, then the result is 1. Then 3 and 0. 3 and 0 means one operand is 1 and another operand is 0. The logical multiplication operator, that is 1 and 0 is 0. Finally 1 or 0. One operand is 1 and another operand is 0. Then the logical OR operation, that is 1 or 0, that is 1. The value is 1. Okay. So here also in the table, expression, interpretation and a value. So the expression is A is greater than B, that is in the parenthesis, and C is equal to 3. Okay. So first evaluate in the parenthesis, whatever in the parenthesis